Hi Roselle, thank you for letting us come back and see the new conservatory roof that's been done by Conservatory Roof Insulations.
Yes.
Insulation Specialists. So have you noticed a difference in the temperature in here since it's been done?
Yes. Yeah. That is the temperature. That is fine, and all the client staff is happy, comfortable. When that is the temperature is okay.
Yeah, so it's warmer in the
It's
winter.
warm, yes,
Yeah.
it's warm because the ventilation that we hear, that is good for weather. But
Yeah.
this is okay.
And have you had a summer here yet with it?
Yeah,
Yes.
the summer, yeah.
Yeah,
and
so-
the summer, yeah, that is warm, but not so warm before, because the roof is already done, and that is better than before.
Yeah, oh good. So it's-
And anyway, when that is summer, we can open the door and pass all the clients. Yeah, we can sit there. We have a cup of tea in the garden, and so, and we have a nice umbrella, and
Yeah.
we can serve this lunch, tea time. Yeah,
Yeah.
sometimes we sit when that is summer. We sit until supper time. Yeah.
Oh, that's
Not
good.
cold
So
summer.
it's not so hot in here
Yeah.
during the summer
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
That's lovely. And were you here when they fitted this?
Yeah.
Did you see it? So
yeah.
how were the fitters? How would you rate the fitters? Did they do a good job? Were they
Yeah,
neat
it's
and
good
tidy?
job. Yes, look.
Yeah.
Evidence. They done good. Yeah.
Were they neat and tidy? And,
Yeah.
And would you recommend us to anyone wanting to transform their conservatory?
Yeah, when you want one, and then we can recommend you.
Yeah. Okay. Lovely. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Okay.
you're welcome.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
that's it. Good.